Hi, I'm Gary and I would love for you to sign up for my 5-day marketing boost. Every day you will receive an email that'll give you some tasks. Those tasks are designed to help you to learn more about how to use Mailchimp for your digital marketing. Whether you're a total beginner or have used Mailchimp for years, you'll definitely learn a lot. For example, on day 1, the task is to import people into our Mailchimp audience and then segment your audience. Day 2 is about creating an email template and sending an email campaign. On day 3, we create a customer journey, which is also known as drip marketing or automated marketing. Day 4 is about creating a survey in Mailchimp. Nice, quick, simple to do, and we can even use the survey as a lead capture form. Day 5, the final day, we create a landing page with a sign-up form. There are no catches. I created this because a lot of my customers, both very large organizations and small, were saying they wanted to know what more Mailchimp could do. So please sign up using the form.